Howdy! I am going to clean out my makeup box and reorganize stuff and throw some stuff away. I decided to film it. I would have done this anyway, but filming it gives me this like different level of motivation to do it and not get like burnout and focus on other stuff. Because sometimes when I clean, I just like get distracted and do other things instead of actually cleaning and doing what I said I was going to do. So this is helping me, and it's nice to like have a way to get myself to focus, I guess. But I definitely needed to clean this out, and I know there are products that are really old and gross like this one. So I have this little index card here to swatch stuff. I know the index card isn't going to be like super accurate when it comes to pigment, but like really what I'm testing for is whether the product works or not, because my stuff is so old and it's probably bad for my skin, to be completely honest, but that's okay. I don't wear makeup very often, so it's not that big of a deal. I guess, I don't know. Is expired makeup even really that big of a deal? Like, I feel like it's not real. I don't even believe in expired makeup. Like, if it works, if it does what it's supposed to do, then it's fine. Of course, if it's like rotting or something yucky like that, then yeah, throw it away. That's what I'm going through my makeup for. But I got all these lipsticks and stuff like literally probably like 6 years ago, and they still work. They still work. Look, like they're fine, I tried to open this, but it's mascara, and I know it works because I use it. So it's primer, foundation, the stuff I'm not opening, like, I know they work, so. I knew that worked. I don't know why I tested that, but that's okay. Hindsight's 2020. I never used this green. I tried to make a little heart, and it just kind of looks like a blob. I should probably get a sharpener for these. This is white. I love the white eyeliner. I use it all the time. I used to, like, be kind of a hater about it, like when people put the white in their waterline. Oh, this sparkly, beautiful, I love it, but I had to get rid of it because it's, like, not, it looks like it works, but there's, like, no product left, and I had to say goodbye, even though it's one of my favorite glitters. I love glitter, and I love pink, and I love using it. This is all eyeliner. I love eyeliner. Oh, that's dry, but I think I keep it anyway. It's not, like, deathly dry. It's, like, on, like, I don't know. Like, in human years, it's probably, like, 70. I don't know what that even means. This is blue, and it's very pretty, but I never use it because I don't ever use any of these. Oh, this is like this like gross metallic. It's not gross. Well, it is now, but it wasn't when I first bought it. It was kind of cool. It was like shimmery, but I never used it and it went bad. This is purple. Sorry. Readjust in my chair, and also readjust this camera. I'm sorry it was obscured for this entire time. I didn't want to say anything before. I knew it was obscured because I fixed it, but I didn't want to point it out. No, this is my favorite eyeliner. This is like my main eyeliner I use all the time. It's NYX. I love it. We love you, NYX. Thank you for being epic. This is also eyeliner that I use often because it's like super dark. It's the e.l.f. eyeliner. Oh, these are both white liquid eyeliners, like the last two things I have in here, and I don't know where I got two of them, but I'll use them, so it's all good. And yeah, so this little part is like for eye products, I've decided. Like, I'm gonna put all the eyeliners in there and my mascara, and then next to it I'll put the like the lip products, and I'm gonna put that highlighter in there just because it fits, and I like that it fits, and it's gonna be good. But I do have to organize this in a certain way where like the tall things have to be in the back, or else the thing won't close when I'm done. And I put those here, and it's going to be really frustrating because I thought I put them back in there. Oh, also, there's my phone and me. But, it's such a janky setup. Like, it's crazy. But I never put my foundation or my primer back in there. Also, this is gross. This is like old Mardi Gras glitter, and it's like putty now. But I'm going to keep it because I'm going to like make art with it, like use it for little projects that are not my face. This has to go. This is so old, and I've been hanging on to it for so long because I like it. It's concealer. I think it's good concealer, but it's just not for me anymore because it's gross and old. It's mascara. I have 2 different mascaras that I use. All these dirty, nasty sponges is humiliating. Like, that's why I have acne, is because I'm putting dirt in my skin when I do makeup. But whatever. That was like a pink eyeliner, lip liner thing. Oh, this is like, it's like tinted lip balm. I like it. It tastes good, and it has a cute package. And I try to find a place for it over here, but I think I end up just putting it like back where I got it from. And all these brushes, I really should invest in some new brushes because I never use these. They're really old and like kind of poor quality. But that little circular like purple thing in the corner is the best glitter in the whole world, and I love it, and I'm so excited to use it. These are my eyeshadow palettes, my Maddie Ziegler palette. Make fun of me all you want, but I use the fuck out of this palette. I love it. I think it's great. I've hit pan in multiple of those. You know, I think it's awesome. I never use this. It was gifted to me. I use the black sometimes, but like it hasn't always been mine. And this, I love this palette. I don't use it very much, but I think it's so pretty, and I just like the packaging is so cute and it's sparkly, and that's really all I care about. I don't know why there's only one eyelash in there. Well, there's 3, I guess, but one of them's missing one. Whatever. This is blush. Elf blush that I don't use very often, but that's okay. This is powder, face powder for my face. And this is, oh, this is cute. Sorry, I bumped the camera, but this is cute. It's like green, and I never use that blue, but it's like shimmery and cute. I like it. Yeah. Putting stuff back in here, stacking it up. All right. Yes. Cool. Yeah, and I'm going to put that stuff in here because it's like face stuff. I don't know. I should have put my foundation in there. My foundation, my primer are always like problematic when I try to put this together, and that's why I wanted to redo it. And so it's not very different, but I got rid of some stuff, and I'm glad I got to go through it. And yeah, this is all the stuff I got rid of, mainly stuff that doesn't work anymore, and like an old setting spray that I don't use because it's old and gross. So yeah, all right, cool, bye.